Welcome to J. Patel Mahila Science College. Today's discuss about Chemistry 301, Chapter number 4, Alcohol, Phenol, Ether and Epoxy. First of all, discuss what is alcohol. Alcohol is a hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion means OH functional group attached to aliphatic chain. Alcohol means hydroxide means OH group attached to aliphatic chain. Aliphatic chain means methyl group, ethyl group. For example, CH3OH is called methanol. CH3CH2OH name is ethanol. This type aliphatic means methyl group, ethyl group, propyl, hexyl, heptyl, etc. is group attached to OH means hydroxide ion is called alcohol. In methanol, generally methanol is a toxic nature. This is directly affected in our body, means this is a very toxic nature. In ethanol is antiseptic nature, means today's ethanol used in sanitizer, in other medicine also used in antiseptic means sanitizing use, and other word in alcohol is R-spirit. R-spirit means one type of alcohol. This is a 100% pure alcohol. Ethanol is called R-spirit. Now, alcohol after phenol. What is the difference between alcohol and phenol? Here hydroxide ion attached to aliphatic ring. In phenol, hydroxide ion attached to means OH group, hydroxide group attached to aromatically is called phenol. For example, benzene ring attached OH group is called phenol. Here benzene ring is aromatic, that's why it is called phenol. And here R group means alkyl group attached to OH group is called alcohol. Generally phenol is used as a antiseptic nature like ethanol. This is also used in phenol in antiseptic, also used in soap and detergent industry. Generally phenol is used in antiseptic means medicine, antiseptic use, also as a soap and detergent industrial use. This is the difference between alcohol and phenol. Third topic of our chapter is ether. What is ether? General formula of ether is ROR. Here R is aliphatic or R is aromatic. Means two alkyl group and middle of oxygen. Means oxygen atom bonded to two aryl or alkyl group. The definition is oxygen atom bonded with two aryl or alkyl group. This is called ether. Here oxygen atom bonded with two alkyl or aryl group. And also ether used as a in industrial solvent use. Means this ether is used in a solvent form, and another organic solvent or inorganic solvent easily dissolve in ether. Means therefore ether is used in industrial, in solvent, and also used in pharmaceutical company. Many medicine, pharmaceutical, industrial, ether is also used in industrial. And fourth one is epoxide. What is epoxide? Epoxide is a cyclic structure of ether with three atoms. Epoxide is a cyclic ether with a three atom ring. Means this is a cyclic ring like this. Here this is the example of epoxy. This is a cyclic, this is a oxygen, 2R group is attached and 3 atom in the ring. This is type of structure is an example of epoxy. Generally epoxide is used as detergent and surfactant industrial or soap industrial. This is used as a detergent and surfactant industries use. Epoxide is used in detergent and surfactant, and also epoxide is most famous in polymer industry. Generally epoxide resin name. The name of resin is epoxide. Generally epoxide is mostly used in polymer industry by made up of epoxide resin. Epoxide resin. This is the our chapter main part of and definition. Alcohol, phenol, ether and epoxy. Alcohol means hydroxide ion attached to aliphatic chain. Means here aliphatic group CH3, here CH3, CH2 is also aliphatic group. Both are attached in the OH group. This type of group is known as a alcohol. Generally methanol is a toxic. Ethanol is used in an antiseptic. Nowadays ethanol 75% or 95% used in sanitizing. Second one is phenol. Phenol means OH means hydroxyl group is attached to the aromatic ring. Here benzene ring attached to OH group means benzene ring is the aromatic ring. This type structure is called as a phenol. Generally phenol is a antiseptic, also used in a medicine, soap and detergent, industrial, also used in the phenol. And third one is the ether. Ether have oxygen atom attached or bonded with the two aryl or aliphatic group attached. This is the also used in industrial as a solvent, means generally organic compound dissolve easily in ether. Also used in a pharmaceutical medicine company. And epoxide. Epoxide is a cyclic, one type of the ether, but this is a cyclic structure, cyclic ether with the 2-3 atom ring. For example, epoxide also used in a detergent, surfactant or soap industrial use. And nowadays epoxide is mostly used in polymer industry, epoxide resin metal.